Hi, welcome to Tap Tech today. Let's talk about the DJI Mini 5 Pro. It's the newest small drone from DJI. And yes, it's one of the most powerful mini drones ever made. It's light, smart, and packed with new features. DJI made this drone for both beginners and pros. If you love flying drones and capturing stunning shots, this one might impress you. Let's dive deep into what the DJI Mini 5 Pro offers. We'll talk about its design, camera, features, battery life, and performance. And we'll keep it simple so everyone can understand it. First, let's look at the design. The Mini 5 Pro still keeps that classic foldable body. It looks clean and sharp. It's easy to carry and fits in your hand. Just unfold it, and you're ready to fly. The weight stays under 249 grams. That means you don't need to register it in most countries. That's a big plus. DJI also improved the build quality. The drone feels sturdy but still very light. The arms and propellers are strong and flexible. The body has a sleek matte finish, which looks more premium now. And with new sensors added on the front, back, and bottom, it's safer than ever. Next, let's talk about the camera. This is where the Mini 5 Pro really shines. It comes with a new 1-inch CMOS sensor. That's a big upgrade from the Mini 4 Pro. This sensor helps capture more light and more detail. Whether it's daytime or low light, the results are sharp and clear. The drone can shoot 4K videos at 60 frames per second. You also get HDR video recording. That means better color, deeper contrast, and more dynamic range. It supports 10-bit D-Log M2. That's great for people who like to edit videos and color grade them. Photos are also impressive. You can shoot 48-megapixel stills. And you get raw image support. That means more control when editing. You can capture landscapes, buildings, or even yourself with crisp clarity. The gimbal is 3-axis, just like before. It keeps your footage smooth and stable. Even in windy conditions, the drone keeps things steady. DJI also added vertical shooting. That's perfect for TikTok or Instagram Reels. The drone automatically switches to portrait mode. The Mini 5 Pro also comes with improved obstacle avoidance. It now has sensors on the front, back, and bottom. It can detect objects in 3 directions. So, it can stop or fly around obstacles. This is a major safety upgrade. You can fly with more confidence now. DJI also added advanced pilot assistance systems, or APAS 5.0. It helps the drone avoid things smoothly. It predicts the path and adjusts the route. Whether you're flying in forests, cities, or open fields, it handles it well. One exciting feature is Active Track 6.0. This lets the drone follow a subject automatically. You can walk, run, bike, or even drive, and the drone keeps tracking you. It can follow from behind, side, or even circle around you. The tracking is very smooth. This is perfect for content creators, but there's also point of interest and spotlight. These let you lock onto a subject and circle it or keep it in the frame. You don't need to touch the controls much. It's smart and stable. Just tap and let it work. Let's talk about flight time. DJI claims the Mini 5 Pro can fly for around 34 minutes. In real life, you get about 28 to 30 minutes depending on the wind. That's still pretty good. There's also an extended battery option. That gives up to 45 minutes of flight. But keep in mind that battery makes the drone heavier. So it may not stay under 249 grams. The charging time is fast too. You can charge it using USB-C. DJI also offers a charging hub if you have multiple batteries. That saves time when preparing for long shoots. The remote controller is also worth mentioning. It comes with the DJI RC2. This has a built-in screen. So, no need to connect your phone. The screen is bright and clear. It shows all the flight info, camera settings, and live feed. It's smooth and responsive. The drone uses OcuSync 4.0 for video transmission. That's DJI's latest tech. It gives you a strong, clear feed up to 20 kilometers away. That's a huge range. Of course, you should always follow local flight rules and keep your drone in sight. But this tech gives more freedom and stronger signal even in crowded places. Now let's talk about the DJI Fly app. It's easy to use. The interface is clean. You get all your flight data, map, camera controls, and settings in one place. It also helps you edit and share videos quickly. You can apply templates and music with just a few taps. DJI added new shooting modes too. There's Master Shots, which captures short cinematic clips. There's quick shots like Drone, Circle, Helix, and Rocket. These are great for social media. There's also Hyperlapse and Panorama. These let you create time-lapse and wide shots easily. The drone also supports cruise control. That lets you maintain a constant speed, so you can focus on camera movements. This is useful for smooth tracking shots. But let's talk about GPS and safety features. The Mini 5 Pro locks onto satellites quickly. It supports GPS, GLONASS, and Galileo. That means strong positioning. It helps with stable flight and return to home, but there's also AirSense built in. This alerts you about nearby aircraft. The drone beeps and shows a warning if it senses other aircraft. It helps avoid accidents. And there's geofencing too. It stops you from flying in restricted areas. Return to home is more advanced now. If the battery gets low or signal is lost, the drone returns to where it took off. It does this smartly, avoiding obstacles on the way. You can also set your own RTH height and path. Now let's talk about performance. The Mini 5 Pro is very stable in the air. Even in moderate wind, it stays firm. The motors are strong and quiet. The controls are smooth and responsive. You can fly it slowly for calm shots, or faster for action scenes. There are 3 flight modes: Normal, Cine, and Sport. Normal is the default. Cine slows down movement for smooth shots. Sport is faster and more agile. Switching between them is quick. It depends on what you're filming. DJI also improved the internal storage. You get some built-in space for emergency use. But it's better to use a fast microSD card for video. It supports UHSI cards up to 512 GB. Now, who is this drone for? If you're a beginner, it's easy to fly. The app and controls are simple. You also get a lot of safety features. That makes learning easier. If you're a creator, the camera quality and features are perfect for making great content. And if you're a pro, you'll enjoy the controls, settings, and video quality. Let's talk about the price. The Mini 5 Pro is not cheap. It costs more than the Mini 4 Pro. But it gives better features, camera, and safety. It's a premium mini drone. If you care about quality, it's worth the price. You can also buy it in bundles. The Fly More combo includes extra batteries, a charging hub, and a bag. The combo gives more value if you fly often. So, is it worth it? Yes, for most people, it's a great buy. The DJI Mini 5 Pro gives a lot in a small package. You get high quality video, smart features, and long flight time. It's compact, legal in most places, and powerful. Whether you're shooting travel videos, real estate, or just exploring, it does the job well. Of course, no product is perfect. The Mini 5 Pro has a few downsides. The price is higher than other mini drones. It's still not as strong in wind as bigger drones. And you may need to buy extra batteries for longer sessions. But those are small issues compared to what you get. DJI has once again shown that big power can come in a small size. The Mini 5 Pro pushes the limits of what a mini drone can do. It's more than just an upgrade. It's a step forward for drone users who want portability and performance together. So, if you've been waiting for a drone that's easy to carry but doesn't compromise on quality, the DJI Mini 5 Pro is it. You'll love flying it. You'll enjoy the footage. And you'll be amazed at what such a small drone can do. Thanks for watching Tap Tech. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like and subscribe. We bring you the latest reviews of laptops, smartphones, drones, and smartwatches in simple and clear language. Stay tuned for more.